Hi, today I'm going to discuss about human overpopulation. Is it really a major environmental issue? Well, an estimate says that the average global birth rate is 18.5 birth per 1000 of the total population. On the other hand, the death rate is 7.8 deaths per 1000 of the total population. And since these birth and death rates are different, our population becomes unsustainable, causing an issue that we call overpopulation. So what makes overpopulation a sustainability issue? Improving technology and medicines and decline in death rate. Scientists have come up with more advanced medicine to treat ill people. These medicines and treatment will increase the life of these ill people, meaning less people will die each year. Although this is a good thing, it will cause the issue of overpopulation, which will affect many more people. As more people are surviving and more babies are born due to technology and new medicines, the birth rate will increase and the death rate will decrease. Families living in poverty tend to have more children. This is because the government gives the family a certain amount of money or assistance per child. So more children means more money. People living in developing countries are likely to move to places like USA, United Kingdom, Canada and Australia because they have the best medical facilities, security, education and employment. And here comes some effect for overpopulation, like depletion of resources. The earth can only produce a certain amount of food and water. As more people are born each year, there are less resources for everyone. And the other effect is degradation of environment. As our population rises, there is an overusage of coal, oil and natural gas. More vehicles are being used, so the air becomes more polluted. More carbon dioxide is released, which causes global warming and climate change. And global warming and climate change is a major environmental problem nowadays. Rising unemployment. When a country becomes overpopulated, there will not be enough jobs for everyone. Since everyone can get a job, it can lead them to steal to support their family. When there are more people and less resources, the cost for living will rise. The price for food, shelter and healthcare will be more expensive. This means people have to pay more to survive. This will also cause many people to live in poverty. And here comes another effect, lack of space for housing. As the population grows, there will be less space for houses to be built. This can cause some people to be homeless. So how can we stabilize our population? Here comes some probable solution. Education. By educating people, we can help them to understand the effect of overpopulation. We also need to teach children and people about safe sex. And here comes another solution, limiting the amount of children we have. To stabilize our population, we can limit the amount of children we have. For example, China has a one-child policy, which means each couple can only have one child. So what are the benefits of stabilizing our population? Well, we will have more resources for everyone and less conflict. There will be less people living in poverty and the cost of living will decrease. There will be more space and homes for everyone. And most importantly, our earth will be less polluted. Thanks for watching the video.